नारे तकबीर, नारे तकबीर, वही बनेगी, वही बनेगी, बाबरी मस्जिद वही बनेगी। बाबरी मस्जिद के मुजरिमों को फांसी दो, बाबरी मस्जिद के मुजरिमों को फांसी दो, बाबरी मस्जिद के मुजरिमों को फांसी दो, वही बनेगी, वही बनेगी, बाबरी मस्जिद वही बनेगी। लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे।
Memorandum is regarding demand to rebuild Babri Masjid, punish the culprits and implement the recommendation of Libran Commission. On 6 December 1992, the Hindutva fascist elements demolished Babri Masjid, a 463-year-old place of worship of Muslims in Ayodhya, with its the ideals and values upheld by the Indian nation were also compromised. The government was as a helpless spectator. The laws of constitution became mere writing on paper and the judiciary proved completely ineffective in the intervening. The demolition was the gravest terrorist attack against independence after the killing of Mahatma Gandhi. It was the day when India has to hang its head in shame before the entire world community. By demolishing a masjid which was used for worship by Muslims for over 450 years, the Sangh Parivar claimed that they have erased off a stain that had an Indian soil for centuries. It means that Muslims were nothing but a stain on the body of Republic. Hence, it was not just the demolition of masjid, but part of malicious agenda to disseminate our community. A nationwide attack on Muslims, deaths and destructions that followed demolition was an indicator of this vicious political intent of the Hindutva outfit. Though the main culprits are leaders of RSS, BSP and BSP, many others were equally responsible for the dastardly active of vandalism. Central government led by Narasimha Rao, the UP administration, the judiciary, the army, the media, every political party, every leader, all have to share the blame. 21 years have passed. Since then, the assurance given by government to rebuild Babri Masjid has not been fulfilled yet. In fact, the rebuilding of Babri Masjid and punishing the culprits would only serve justice and restore the faith of millions of upright citizens in value of the Republic. The cases filed in 1961 related to ownership of masjid and its premises is still pending before the Supreme Court. After the verdict of Allahabad High Court to partition the land among three parties, justice delayed is justice denied. Thus, Popular Front of India demands the Supreme Court should solve the case soon and justice should be restored by rebuilding Babri Masjid as promised. Though criminal cases were filed in 1992 against the culprits responsible for demolishing, all the accused roam free without any sense of guilt or fear of punishment. We demand the government should take steps to bring the accused under the law and should punish the guilt. We also urge government to immediately proceed steps to implement the Justice Libran Commission report. So, sir, there is a demand from our Popular Front of India. We request you to hand over this copy to Prime Minister and the central government. Thank you. On behalf of Deputy Commissioner, to session, and assure you too that today itself it will proceed to government for further legislation. Thank you.
लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे, लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे। तकबीर, तकबीर, वही बनेगी, वही बनेगी, बाबरी मस्जिद वही बनेगी, वही बनेगी, वही बनेगी, बाबरी मस्जिद वही बनेगी। लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे, लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे। बाबरी मस्जिद के मुजरिमों को फांसी दो, फांसी दो, बाबरी मस्जिद के मुजरिमों को फांसी दो, फांसी दो। लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे, लाठी गोली खाएंगे, बाबरी मस्जिद बनाएंगे। तकबीर।